It's gonna scare the fuck out.
I know, I thought that too. What should we tell them? If you want to turn the light off, you can. It's on the right there. Oh, there it goes again.
Hold up.
Okay, good catch. So the light switch. All right, I want to see which one's going off. Do it. Do it again. It's the one closest to the power source.
Okay.
Let me move it further away. Try it now. All right, that fixed that. Okay, mental note, don't put your tripwire close to that switch because it sets it off. That's crazy.
I just think it's funny because
We did recognize. See, it wasn't you talking to us. We were talking. Okay.
Okay.
Learn away. We're going to go upstairs now.